standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you.
Hello guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end you will decide to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. I'm really excited. I have the brand new Anastasia Nouveau palette, I guess that's how you would pronounce it. And I'm going to do a full review and an eye look for you guys. So if that's something that you are interested in seeing, then keep on watching. Alright, are we ready to get into this palette? Okay, so there's a difference in size. This was $55 and I believe these were $45. Let's just look. Okay, look at how small those shadows are. And then look here. I like this style better for sure. So I'm super excited to be able to play with this because it's been a minute since Anastasia has come out with a regular palette like this, except for the Primrose, which really did not have my attention. So I put on some eyeshadow primer. I used the one that came in boxy, the Sandbar. And got my big t-shirt on just because we don't know if we're going to have fallout and all that stuff. So, sorry, the wash machine. Yeah, the kids. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to use my cut crease tool today because I bought it and I did the review on it for you guys, and I figured let's just keep using it. Why not, right? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and grab, what color should we go in with? Now in this palette there are 3 pigments. It is the Wisteria, which is this lavender, the Paloma, and I want to say it's the Metro. Yeah, those are pigments, so they tell you not to use them near the eye, which, why are we doing eyeshadow palettes like that? I know that they're putting it in there so they don't get in trouble, but at the same time, where am I going to put a lavender eyeshadow? Like, or a lavender color? I'm not going to put it on my cheek. I mean, I guess you could use it on the lips if you want, but I don't know. So I'm going to go in with this Fleur color. There is some kick up. Oh wait, I was going to use my tool here. Let's try this. Alright. Do we want a more precise brush with this? We might want a more precise brush. And all my brushes are getting to the point where they're getting dirty again, so I don't know. Let's just see what it does here. This is a neat little tool, but I always have to make like adjustments to it because it's not for every eye shape, you know? I mean, it can give you a guide, but like this, that is way too far into my eye. Let's fix that. Yeah, and I can work with it, you know, it's fine. Let's change that a little bit over here. I have hooded eyes, so I like to put my eyeshadow where you can see it. I have a funny story for you guys too. For you guys that know Kayla, my daughter. She has said mom maybe twice where I could really understand her, and the other day we were talking and we were singing and she's just going, oh, and I could tell she was trying. I was going, mama, mama mia, mama, mama mia, Kayla, right? And all of a sudden she's trying to talk and you can see it where she's trying to come out with words and she goes, shit. I thought she was gonna say mom. Nope. Okay, let's get back into this. So we have eyeshadow primer on. We need to make sure that things are symmetrical, and Here we are. I have not decided what kind of look I want to do with this, but there's some really pretty colors in here. And Peacock is a dual chrome. I'll put like swatches in here. I'm definitely going to do full swatches over on my other channel, Swatch Investigator, but I'm thinking Peacock out here, and then a couple of shimmers in between. That is what I'm thinking. I'm going to need specific brushes to do that. We're going to need a stiffy, an angled stiffy. If you guys are new to my channel, the eyeliner smudge brush is what I call a stiffy. Okay, and we're definitely going to need some setting spray because, you know, we don't mess around here. I think I'm going to take this Shadow Metro, or do I want, yeah, or maybe I want to do the, I don't know. See, now I'm like, let's see. This is one that you're not supposed to put near the eye area. I am fully aware. And I'm glad that Anastasia came out and said that. You guys know there's a lawsuit against Morphe because they were not making it clear that there are certain colors in their palettes that you cannot put near the eyes. And they were showing their models using those colors on their eyes. So yeah, I can see why they're being sued. Okay. I mean, this is an okay color. I do like Liberty and Hope, and I'm kind of like, do I want to put those in here? Let's just see. I'm going to grab a Farrah brush, and I'm going to dip it into Liberty. And let's just see where we can go with this. I think I like that better. Take your time with blending. Let me know if you have done a cut crease yet. Okay. You can put a sticky base down. I did put eyeshadow primer, but you can also put a sticky base down for your color to really, really stand out if you're doing a cut crease. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of this. And I'm going to map out
Can you hear me?
everything.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Alright ladies, so I'm doing a cut crease and I've put the Alamar Sticky Primer on my eye, and I'm going to put a very light shimmer on the inner corner, and I'm going to work my way over. The last color towards the end is going to be that dual chrome, which looks so different in the pan than it does in my eye. I have a question for you guys. Do you guys know what type of eyes you have? There are quite a few different types of eyes, and what you have determines on how you should do your eyeshadow. With me, I have hooded eyes, so I do have to bring up my eyeshadow higher than usual, and when I'm doing a cut crease, I obviously make my crease way higher than what it actually is, which I like to do. So this shadow in here, I'll see if I can put some pictures in here. I know that I've been running out of space, so I haven't been showing the shades that I've been using, but I do tell you at the end. I'm going to go ahead and put some setting spray on this. I did not put any setting spray on that lighter shade, Isle, or I don't know what it was, ISLE, but I am going to use it with this one here, and I've got my fine detailing brushes by Morphe. So we're going to go ahead and build this up. Spoiler alert, I do like the palette, for sure. And I hope that they make more palettes the way that they have it outlined in this one. The larger pans, more pigment. Some of the shadows were so soft that they crumbled when I put my brush in there. But that's fine. There you have there the dual chrome color Peacock, which I like a lot. I thought it was neat that they put pigments, eyeshadows, and a dual chrome in there. I thought I would mention too, I'm still in my trial phase of the Il Makiage Power Cream and Foundation, but that's what I'm wearing today, and I really do like it. And I did pick up the Magic Concealer from Anastasia, that's new. It's full coverage, but it does settle into the lines. So I'm going to have to use it with a lot of moisturization underneath my eye next time to see if it'll come out a little bit better. But have you guys tried that? Definitely let me know. Alright, so now we're going to blend. This is the master brush that Jacqueline has with Morphe. I did not add anything on it. I just want to kind of smooth out that eye. You might hear my dog snoring in the background. Sorry if you do. Okay, so blending. Really, I'm just like, the color can bunch up, so I wanted to make sure that we smoothed everything out, especially when you use like a sticky primer like the Alamar and you kind of pack the color in. It does have a tendency to bunch a little bit, and I don't want it to bunch on my eye. Alright, so I am finishing up the outer part of that eye, flicking the shadow out, and then I'm going to go in with some liner. I am going to use the Il Makiage black liquid liner. I've been liking that too, and it's actually different. It's more of a marker-like than the actual felt tip, which I'm used to using. Okay, so let's grab that liquid liner, and we are going to carefully go over the top line right at the eyelashes. We are going to do a wing too, because you just have to. At least I feel like I have to. So let's go ahead and get that done. So how many of you ladies have mature lids and you do a wing? Or do you find it that it's hard to do, or you just never really learned how to do it? Let me know that. I'm very curious. Would you guys like to see a tutorial on how to do a wing? Or is it fine if I just do it in videos like this? Let me know. The thickness of the wing is totally up to you. I do enjoy doing them though.
Alright, gonna take a pencil brush and do underneath the eye, and then put liner on my waterline. And let me see, what are we gonna do? Let's go ahead and dip into Isle.
Dude, there's monsters left and right. Bro, no, I'm not with your car. No, I'm not with
By the way, the Magic Concealer is definitely full coverage. Super excited I got that. Okay, so let's go ahead and dip into Peacock. Wow, it looks so different in the pan.
Juice. Every single step you say you're
Okay.
just press down the scroll. Somewhere else. And why did you put
Can't wait till the kids go back to school. Alright, let's go in with Gwen Stefani's line, Give, and make that black.
I don't know why you put it here. Alright, tell me where we're going to the outpost. Where's the outpost?
Okay. Let's take a brush that doesn't have anything on it and make sure
No.
everything is cleaned up.
We're gonna get murdered.
We will do some mascara, some lashes, the rest of my makeup, and then come back and talk to you about this palette. Okay guys, so you have seen me use this eyeshadow palette. I absolutely love it. I did use one of the pigments up here. I did not have any problems with it at all whatsoever. I went ahead and dipped into quite a few of them. This one here, this one, and then I went in with these two. So $55. The pans are larger than what they usually are for these type of palettes. It was a little bit more pricey, but you got a lot more product. The packaging is neat. It's basic, but it's pretty. It's got a mirror. Overall, I cannot wait to use it again. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. So tell me, do you have any questions for me? Put that down in the comments below. I look forward to talking with you there, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed creating it, and I will see you guys real soon in another video.